So alright guys, welcome back. My name is Aspirant and we have got another unboxing video. We are unboxing today is the Pioneer DJ HRM-6 professional reference monitor headphones. So the reason that I've got these headphones is I have a small DJ controller, which is here. This is the new Mark Party Mix. I'm not a professional DJ. I do love my music. House dance, garage and so forth. Oh, lights going off. What, the lights are going off. So yeah, sorry about that. Yes, I do love my music and all sorts, and I usually play music with my headphones on, but sadly my headphones itself keeps failing. I bought 50 drive headphones, which are bassy. You turn the bass up and everything, and they break. So I took it back to Amazon because they're like 27 days in the 30-day guaranteed, and I traded them over. So I swapped them over, got my money back, and then I got the Pioneer DJ ones. So I'm hoping these are good. So yeah, that's the box. On the side it comes with accessories, 1.2 meter coil cable. That's the one I'll be using anyway. You've got 3 meter straight cable and a 1.2 straight cable, and a 6.3 meter plug adapter and a carrying pouch. So yeah, that's the back of it. Pioneer DJ, right there. 40k MZHD driver, with for accurate high resolution sound, swivel and foldable design for good and compact storage, memory foam ear pad for maximum wear comfort, durable stainless headband with comfort cushion pad, bass reflex chambers for good bass, response with excellent sound installation, that's good, aluminium dumping structure. So let's open this bad boy up. Right, so I've just sliced it open. Let's have a look what we've got here. So, okay, information on the hut, I think. What is that? Information. Okay. Invented for users. What does that say? As for January 25, our company name has been changed from Pioneer DJ Corporation to Alpha Touring Corporation. For any change, we ask that you read Pioneer DJ. Oh, okay. So they've just changed companies. Ooh. These are them. Oh, they look nice. That's them there. That's look all right. Open them up in a minute, and in the box we have a little bag there as well. Well, it goes 1 minute. That's opened. Open it up. Open it up, please, with the one hand. Oh my god! There you are. Open it up. There's the pouch. Nice big pouch to put it in. That's a decent sized pouch as well. Look at that. Awesome. Put you there. And then we've got all, I'm guessing that's the instructions and the warranty and so forth in there. And then you've got the plugs. So I won't be using them. But I will be using that one. So I'm going to open up the headphones from the wrapper. And these are it. Nice rubber feel, nice and comfort on the earphones. Absolutely stunning. So yeah, it actually feels really good. 40 mm drive. So I'm gonna test this out, and I'll give you my verdict at the end. All right, guys. So I've just finished with my Pioneer DJ headphones. Really worth it. The headphones that I had before was a Sony pair, I got it on Amazon at £85. It's not worth it. It just died in 26 days, and for £85, I was pretty shocked. These, on the other hand, these bad boys, I'll open it up for you, are worth it. They're £120. Oh. £120. Are they worth it? 100%. The bass quality is amazing. The mid, amazing. The treble is amazing. And I said at the start of the video that I would use the 1.2 cord. Don't. I used the 3 litre one. The 3 metre one, sorry. Yeah, bit tangled up, but it's fine because you just straighten it out, it'd be fine. But though that's my that is the best pair of headset. I've never owned Pioneer. First time I've done it. I thought I'll save that bit of extra money, and I saw it at £120. I think it's originally £150. At the time that this come out, it's at £120. For monitoring, I think it's great on that little controller decks. For me, it's fantastic. I've had no problem, no distorting sounds from the bass or anything. It's perfect. So yeah, on that note, leave your comment, tell me what you think. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.